Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install WinRAR on your Windows computer. So first step is going to be to open up Google Chrome. And then inside of Chrome, you guys want to type in WinRAR download. Press enter. And then it's going to be the first link right here, WinRAR download free. And then you guys want to hover over to the right hand side right here and just click the download WinRAR button. And then just hit the download WinRAR button once again. And it will start installing your WinRAR right here on the bottom. Uh, don't really worry about this. We're going to show you how to guide you right through it. Double click on the WinRAR installation once it's done. And then inside of here, you want to hit yes. And then hit, and then you want to hit install. Give it a second, it will install. And just, you guys pretty much want to keep the default settings right here. Click OK. And then you're done. And that's pretty much it. You guys have successfully installed WinRAR onto your PC now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.